wish in this way we could scan our kidney and other parts and replace it, you know. Hello everyone, we are here at ASVA, the 3D Animation Center, which is run by my friends Gopal and Bimal and Jerry. So we are making me. Alright, so this is how the process goes on. Yeah, so we are ready. Gopal, would you like to explain something to our viewers?
First you have to keep straight your face, okay? While processing, don't turn like this or like this. Keep straight. If your eyes are, this is only light which your camera has no. Not like light, LED light only. If your eyes looks something irritating with this light, you can close your eyes, that's it. But don't move this face like that. Okay. If you are opening your eyes also, no problem. But if you feel something, you can close your eyes. That's it, okay.
I can keep on blinking the normal.
Yeah, that's not a problem. Yeah, not a problem. But your face should be right, straight.
Like this. I'll face the camera and straight. This is.
Shall I?
Yes, please.
Okay. Keep the position. Don't turn anywhere. Yeah, you can talk.
Put the video in laptop now. I'll just continue from Jerry.
Jerry, laptop la konjam inga vandu zoom pannikaanga. Eppadi varudhu? Yeah, good.
Okay. That's me. So they go in front of me.
Okay.
I forgot this mic.
Forgot the smile. Yeah, we can talk.
Okay. I wish in this way we could scan our kidney and other parts and replace it, you know. If that was possible, I wish for it.
In this scanner it's not possible, but in CT scan or MRI scan, scan data will be,
No, I mean like scan and create and replace it,
yeah, possible.
like the kidney.
No possible. Possible, man. Okay, it's tracking lost. Okay, anyway, after the part scan is enough for us to make.
And what about the head?
Huh?
Thank you, Jerry. So people will show you how it's done. That's me. I look different, man.
Whatever in your face, it's coming, right? After mouse,
What about my back?
back, hair and head.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will do that.
Oh, if you make my head small.
No.
Now it's done.
No. For 10 to 15 minutes it will take.
So, anyways, guys, this is a quick vlog of making the 3D animation, 3D art, and this is what Gopal and his friends are doing, running a company called ASVA, and trust me, they are really doing a great work. And looking at this video, I think all of you can order it from any part of India. Yeah,
Yeah.
anything you can
Abroad
order.
also we are doing.
Yeah, so abroad, here.
Not like this. They will send the photo and we will design it and we will make it and send to through courier. If a person is available, they can come here. We can scan. Or else, if any travel allowances they are providing means, we will take all the equipments to all over there in anywhere India. We will do the 3D scanning there. And after that, we will come back and make it and we will send it through courier.
Okay, so that's how it works. Even to my people in Darjeeling, तपाईहरुले हेर्नुहुँदैछ भने आफ्नो सानो यस्तो मूर्ति या तपाईहरुलाई सानो टोकन अफ एप्रिसिएसनको त्यो कपहरु, त्यो फ्रेमहरु जे पनि हुन्छ है 3D आर्ट द्वारा तपाईहरुलाई चाहिन्छ भने है अर्डर गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हाम्रो साथीकोबाट र तपाईहरुले दामी डिस्काउन्ट पनि पाउनुहुन्छ. If you take the name of Village Camping Darjeeling, you'll get the discount, okay? Yeah, the promo code. And I'll show you a few examples. Darjeeling को बासिन्दाहरुलाई अब यस्तो क्या अब कति जनालाई अब के दिने कोही बेला मेमोरी
See, now it's somehow clear than that.
केकेहरु भन्दा यस्तो मूर्तिहरु बनाएर हैन इट्स अल अबाउट 3D एनिमेसन 3D आर्ट तपाईहरुले यस्तो बनाएर तपाईहरुले उहाँलाई दिन सक्नुहुन्छ. So it's a great thing. तपाईहरुले मेरो थ्रु आयो भने यु गेट डिस्काउन्ट अर्डर गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ साथीहरुकोबाट है. अब नेक्स्ट भिडियो चाहिँ जब मूर्ति आउँछ त्यति बेला तपाईहरुले देख्नुहुन्छ ल. यसरी चाहिँ काम हुँदैछ. Oh, this is
wait, again it will take 10 minutes.
And भित्र म देखाउँछु तपाईहरुलाई अरु पनि के छ. So all these are made by them. See, यस्तो सानोहरु. So यसरी नै हुन्छ नि अब कसैको नाममा या कसैको केमा बनाएर पनि दिन सक्छ है. अन्त काम चाहिँ यसरी हुन्छ. Oh, अन्त the fame of Tamil Nadu, GP Muttam, the famous YouTuber from Tamil Nadu. So these are the machines.
Yeah.
So this is how the works are done, guys. Please do fill order. You can find them in Instagram.
Yeah, fine.
ASVA.
ASVA 3D World.
Yeah, ASVA 3D World. That's where you find these guys, and you can order and enjoy the statues or whatever. Okay, and they make very nice that marriage bulbs as well. Where is it?
Marriage?
The ball.
Yeah, here it is.
Yeah, we'll show you one more thing which is very interesting. Yeah, we'll show it just like that first. So this is this looks like यो त हेर्दा चाहिँ यस्तो पट जस्तो देख्छ हैन यहाँ यस्तो when we look at this it's like happy married life if you want to give, but you know once you put light in it, oh my god, can you see the happy married couples Aruna Devi and Ashok, yeah? So this is how it's done. Oh nice. So you can also order, there are many different kind of things like this, and you can obviously order, and the statue size doesn't matter. It can be this big or bigger than this, or a complete full body, whatever. Okay, so thank you for watching Village Camping Darjeeling. Stay tuned with us so that we can come up with more videos for you all. Okay, thank you, and thank you ASVA for making the statue of me. I'm not dead though. And that's our Jerry.
Hello.
Alright guys, see you again.